Okay guys, my plan today was to work at the farm, but as you can see, we mowed the grass yesterday, and see how wet it is right here in this little spot right in here, and it hadn't rained in like a week. And I noticed I've got a pretty good puddle of water right here, so I go out and check. My meter is over here to the left, and it's running with nothing turned on. So what I did is I followed the line from the meter all the way to where it goes in under the house, which is right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dig across until I find the pipe, and then I'll go from there this way until I find the leak. I think the leak is going to be right up here because this kind of slopes down a little bit gently, and I'm already out of breath. I'm sorry, I done dug a little hole there, but I'm right on the edge because right here it's not wet. If I stand right here, it's dry. But if I stand right here, it's wet. So I know the leak is right in here somewhere, but I'm pretty sure because like I said, it slopes down. I think it's going to be right in here, but I'm going to dig, right across here until I find the pipe, and then start coming this way until I find the leak. So we'll time lapse this, so you won't get bored, and but the whole thing will be time lapse, so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Hopefully I'll find the leak in a few minutes. So here we go. I don't see it yet, but I hear it. In fact, it just buried up underwater again. It's right in here. There's the sewer main. The water main's right there. Runs right through there. So let me finish it. There it is. It's right there where a union is at. Looks like it goes straight, and right here it turns and goes down. Why it goes down, I don't know, but there's definitely a leak right there where that elbow's at. I'm gonna dig down below it here in front, see how far it goes. So here we go. Okay, you'll notice the leak, of course, at the union, it goes down. It only goes down about maybe a couple of inches, and it's underwater right here. But notice the piece of pipe laying right there. That's the section where they fixed it. So they've been in here and repaired this before. Must have been before I moved here, and I've been living here 33 years now, and so it hadn't leaked in 33 years till just now, but that did pretty good, I guess. But I'd like for it to not leak till I left this earth. But digging this hole is making me leave this earth a little sooner, I'm afraid. But anyway, let me go get me a platform here to put right here. Put me a platform right here, a piece of wood, so I can get down on my knees and put me some gloves on and try to get that hole drained out a little bit so I can do the repair. So here we go to Lowe's to get some pipe and some glue. But before I go, I want to show you, this is weird. See what they've done? They put a pipe here on this side right there. It goes down and then over to the water line right here, and then it goes up, over, and then back down, and then over to the water line right there. Maybe it'll drain down enough to see it when I get back, and I'll take another video. But the leak is at this joint right here. It's just spraying. You'll see it in that video, the other video I have. So I'll be back shortly. Okay, looks like the hole is good where I patched it there. I plugged it, or whatever you want to call it. See, they put that little S-shaped thing, or H-shaped thing in there, and I just went back straight across and glued both sides. I pulled it up on one end and got it glued. But I'm gonna start a time lapse here. Be filling the hole in. I'm just gonna cover the hole and then we'll start from there. So had to go cool off for about 45 minutes because it's actually about 95 degrees right now. So okay, here we go. It's so wet. I'm just going to have to kind of leave it mucked up like this, just kind of mound it a little bit. I got all the dirt that was used all around in the hole now, and but it's just kind of mucky looking now because all of it, even back through well over there in the grassy area, the pretty grassy area where that pig's laying and all that, it's all just sopping wet over there. But so anyway, we'll see how this works out. I don't have a leak anymore, so that's good. If y'all enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up if you would. Be sure and subscribe to us. Like and subscribe if you can to Green Creek Farms. This is just another random video we're doing, trying to do as much as I can, but I'm telling you, it is 90 something degrees out here now. It's mid 90s. I think heat index is going to be over 100 today, about 110. So anyway, pretty good deal. Stick with me. Like I say, be sure and look at our Linktree link at the bottom if you as well. You know, we've got some of the products that we sell, or that we actually are using. I'm sorry, not that we sell it, but that we're using, listed on there as well. So if y'all enjoyed it, you know, be sure and like and subscribe. And that's all I got today, guys. Thanks. Have a good one.